I'll just quickly run through the entire process of getting a new clinic set up. Okay, so if you go to Mybooking.clinic, just hit enter. That will take you to the landing page. Get started today. Click next step. Your name. So head practitioner, user type is practitioner. The difference between super user and a practitioner, as it says there, super user can manage the entire system but will not appear in the list of practitioners for clients to book appointments with. Practitioners have the same authorization as super users but will also appear on the list of practitioners and has full access to client documents. Super user does not have access to patient documents, right? So I'm a practitioner. Cardio Care LLC, organization type, medical center, specialty, cardio care, number of practitioners, let's say 4. Subdomain name will be cardio, and you will see we get the green tick there to say that that subdomain name is unique, is available. So what that will do is that will give you a full domain name to give to your patients of cardio.mybooking.clinic. So if yours might be, physio or whatever, so that makes it easy, an easy URL to give to your clients or patients. Selected template style for the website. At the moment, there are only medical center and physiotherapist, chiropractor, but we'll be adding these others in due course. So let's just pick medical center. It doesn't matter a lot. It's just changes the colors and the design slightly. And background images, but you can change the background images anyway. So medical center, 2021 Surface Paradise Boulevard, and that will provide a map, Google Maps. So country code, so I need to set that because I am in Australia, so that will mean that if I'm doing testing, the codes will, the OTP, one-time password, will come to my phone. Thanks. Great. Now discount code 320. Apply. Okay. All right. This actually hasn't changed. That's wrong. That should change to $20 a month. So for a very short amount of time, depending on how quickly I get clients on board, entering that discount code will get you unlimited access, unlimited users, unlimited practitioners for $20 a month for the first 12 months. Plus, regardless of what plan you use, you will get a 30-day free trial anyway, and you can just basically, you don't even have to cancel this subscription, because the way it works is that when you get set up, it doesn't ask you for any billing information. So 7 days before the subscription is due to kick in, which is in 30 days from registration, you will get an email to that address, and that will, from Stripe, and that will contain a link to the Stripe billing management page. You click on that, go there, and set up your method of payment for the subscription. And if you don't pay it, if you don't set it up, then it will just expire. The subscription will quietly expire. You'll get a reminder email after 7 days, and then at 15 days, the subscription will expire. So, no issues. Okay, registration's complete. Redirect to the configuration dashboard. So just some initial system configuration settings. Does your organization have multiple sites or locations? Let's say no for now. How do you refer to your service providers? So it'll be doctor. These are included in my text messages and emails. So, whether it's dentist or therapist or whatever. So that's the word that would get included. How do you refer to clients? Well, they're patients for a medical center. Do you want clients to enter their or select their phone country code, or just default to your country, your organization's country code? So if all your clients are in the same country, then you say no, use a default. But if they're if you're a remote organization, maybe using telehealth or something, whatever, then you might say yes. And clients, when they register, new patients, when they register, they have to select their phone country code. Website tagline: Superior Cardiac Care, Texas. So essentially, it's not grammatically correct. Do you want to charge clients a no-show fee? Leave it 0 for now, as I haven't actually implemented that just yet. But let me know if you are interested in charging a no-show fee, and I'll have a look at setting that up with Stripe. Do you want set minimum? Do you want to set up a list of standard services for clients to select from when booking an appointment? So when an existing client goes on, selects to book an appointment, do you want to give them a list of standard services to select from, and that would be included in the booking information? Now, for now, just say no. That could impact the length of the appointment, but that functionality hasn't been included yet. So just leave it now, no for now. Again, if you're interested in having variable length appointments depending on the specific service, then let me know and we can set that up for you. Now, payment and website features. Do you want that? Okay, processing credit card service, leave that no. I haven't implemented credit card processing of customers as yet. Again, so if you're an existing establishment, existing business, you would already have your own credit card processing facility anyway. So just leave that. Do you want the frequently asked questions section? Let's say yes. Do you want health news section? Yes. When a new patient registers, do you want to ask any allergies? So yes. Any medications? Yes. Any medical conditions? Yes. Complete. Submit. So now the skeleton of the website has been set up, has been created. We just need to do some little bits of tidying up. Save changes. Okay. But now I don't have an avatar set up. I know this, so I'll create an avatar. I'll do upload it. Job title, uploaded successfully. Job title is head practitioner. Title, that's appellation. So doctor, qualifications, MD, PhD, whatever. Specialty cardiac surgery. So save. Now, if we go to what else? Oh, website content. We need to set up website content. So this is the contact information that you'd put on there. So let's say, whatever. It doesn't matter. Let's just put that on there. Save. What are so the sections? So this is information on the front page. So if we have a look at if I come here and I log in to cardiac.mybooking.clinic. So this is what the public will see. All right, so bit of rubbish there. So we don't have services provided set up. It's only one practitioner. There's no patient testimonials. There's a location, but there's no image for the location. There's no insurance information, no frequently asked questions. And the contact us form is set up. So all those sections we set up here. So insurance information, so fully insured to $1 billion, professional indemnity. Save. And services, choose an icon color, blue, and choose an icon, and so this is coming up, and I'll just go blah, 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 blah. Service 2, choose an icon, edit, diagnostic testing, blah, 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 blah. Service 3, choose an icon, blah, 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 blah. Service 4, choose an icon, whatever. Stress test, blah, 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 blah. Save it. Services frequently asked questions, whatever. So frequently asked questions. How do I prepare? Blah, 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 blah. Save. And now if we come back to the website, cardiac.mybooking.clinic, refresh. So these are services provided. Haven't done testimonials yet. Patient resources, insurance information, frequently asked questions. Yeah, that's good. What else? Patient testimonials. There's no testimonial 1, blah, 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 blah. James Wilson, attack survivor. That'll do. Set. Site management, edit. We just want to add a photo here. That'll do. Save changes. Now user management. So we want to add another user. Users can be practitioners, systems administrators, clerical staff, accountant, whatever. Ray Williams, third name, Dr. Williams. Doesn't matter. This is only for logging in. Marie@gmail.com. Blah, 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 blah. Password. Practitioner. So the role is admin, super user, clerical practitioner, accounts manager. So practitioner, that will put that user onto the list of practitioners on the website. All right, now if we refresh the website, come up to the top again. Oh, hang on. Sorry, didn't add a photo. Oh, okay. Right, I forgot. A little piece of functionality that I forgot to add in here, I haven't done it yet, so I'll do it, is that when creating a new user, you need to be able to upload a photo. So haven't done that. It's coming. At the moment, the way to fix that is so it's marie@gmail.com, log out, log back in as marie@gmail.com. And then go to profile, and you can see she doesn't have an avatar, a photo rather. So we'll give her a nice photo. There we go. Upload. And also practitioner. Cardiac care professional, whatever. Title, doctor, qualifications, MD, whatever, especially cardiac care, preventative, let's say preventative English. Blah, blah, blah. 25 years experience in cardiac care. MD, whatever, blah. Okay, save. All righty, so now refresh the page. I want to get rid of those. Hang on, let me get rid of that. Organization details. Where is that? There. That's just defaulted, so we'll get rid of that. Okay. Sorry, I put it in the wrong place. Should be there. There we go. That's better. Okay, now we've got our practitioners. Testimonials, patient resources, one location. Click Get Directions. That will open Google Maps and will show you the actual location and street view. Groovy. Insurance information, or folks health news, whatever. Okay, so it's all ready to rock and roll, and patients can then book an appointment. So a new patient, fill in all their details. There it is. Basically, in 10 minutes, you can be up and running with your booking system, all ready to go. Yep, that's it. And everything is the same. If you want to see how all the various bits work, like booking an appointment and the back office system, the calendar. You can see there's no bookings, of course. My schedule today, that's my personal schedule. I have nothing. So all appointments for all practitioners will show up here. All of the patients, we have no patients at the moment, but all of their details will show up here. So that's it. There you go. Ready to rock and roll.